Never trust a friend. Let's break free from these chains and discover the true essence of trust and friendship. Section 1. The deceptive notion. Often we're advised never to trust a friend. But is this advice always valid? In this section, we'll dissect the origins of this saying and challenge its relevance in today's complex world of relationships. Section 2. The power of open communication. True friendships thrive on open and honest communication. It's crucial to create an environment where friends feel safe to express themselves. Let's explore how transparent conversations can fortify trust and strengthen bonds. Section 3. Navigating moments of silence. Silence can be powerful, but it can also be misleading. We'll discuss how to discern when a friend's silence is a signal of concern and when it's simply a moment of reflection. Section 4. Cultivating trustworthy friendships. Rather than dismissing friends based on silence, let's focus on nurturing relationships built on mutual respect, empathy, and understanding. Learn how to recognize and appreciate the depth of your true friend's character. Section 1. Challenging the norm. It's time to question the validity of this widely accepted saying. Is it fair to categorize all friendships under one blanket statement? In this section, we'll dissect the origins of this phrase and examine its impact on our ability to form genuine connections. Section 5. The communication conundrum. Effective communication is the bedrock of any relationship. By dismissing a friend solely based on silence, are we missing out on the potential for growth and understanding? Let's explore how open dialogue can transform the way we perceive trust in friendships. Section 6. Recognizing different forms of support. Friendship comes in many shapes and sizes. It's important to acknowledge that trust can manifest in various ways. We'll delve into the nuances of support, from vocal affirmations to silent but steadfast presence. Section 7. Building bridges, not walls. Rather than condemning all friends who choose silence, let's focus on fostering an environment of trust, where individuals feel safe to express themselves authentically. Together, we'll learn how to distinguish between moments of reflection and genuine concern. Don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Remember, trust is the cornerstone of authentic connections. Until next time, take care and keep seeking the truth.